Right now, you're looking at a system that can completely change how you study. After using this, you won't need to sit for endless hours like your life depends on it. Less study, better results. And if this sounds unbelievable, watch this video till the very end. You'll realize why no one ever taught you this earlier. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This system has 5 rules, and all 5 are connected. If you skip even one, the system breaks. So pay close attention. Learn to see patterns, not pages. Your teachers probably told you the same old advice. Revise the chapter again and again until it sticks. But think about this. Is there any movie you had to watch repeatedly just to remember the story? No. Why? Because movies create patterns in your brain. And that's exactly what your syllabus needs. Blind revision is like trying to fill a bucket with holes. You keep pouring water and it keeps leaking out. Patterns seal those holes. Now, how do you actually create patterns? If we're living in the age of AI and you're still confused about this, you're wasting time. Open ChatGPT. Type the chapter name you want to study. Then add a prompt like, "Tomorrow is my exam. I'm a class 10 student." Explain this entire chapter like a movie story in English. Suddenly, the chapter turns into a story, not random information. If even inside that story some points feel hard to remember, zoom in and build micro-patterns. Let me show you how. Example: World War II. Take a topic like World War II. You see terms like Allied forces, Axis powers. Then a list of countries trying to memorize this directly is painful. So instead, ask questions. Why were the Axis powers attacking other countries? Because they wanted more land, more power, more control. Now link the word axis with excess, excess land, excess power, excess control. That single link locks the concept. The Allies, they exist to stop that excess. Now, for the countries. Britain, France, Russia. Imagine them coming together because the Axis crossed the line. USA and Japan. Your brain already remembers Hiroshima and Nagasaki. China, build your own connection. Once you do, it sticks for life. When facts turn into stories, forgetting becomes difficult. That's why I said, you must understand all rules to study less and score more. Quality beats quantity, always. Imagine 2 students. One studies for 10 hours, constantly distracted. Phone notifications, guilt, frustration, repeat. The other studies for 2 hours, fully focused, disconnected from the world, no interruptions. Who sacrifices more and gains less? The first one. Who studies less, achieves more, and relaxes guilt-free afterward. The second one. Because focus multiplies effort. When you sit to study, disconnect completely for 1 to 2 hours. Otherwise, you'll neither enjoy breaks nor absorb study. And yes, I know focus is your biggest struggle. That's why we move to rule number 3. Use time pressure to unlock focus. Before you start studying, say this to yourself. I have exactly 1 hour to understand and finish this topic. After that, I'm done. Adjust the time based on difficulty. This works because of Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. Give your brain 4 hours. It works lazily. Give it 1 hour. It switches to full power. Deadlines sharpen the mind. What you do after studying matters more. Most people think marks depend on how well you study. Wrong. Marks depend on what you do immediately after studying. This isn't motivation, it's neuroscience. Most students finish studying and instantly grab their phone or turn on TV. That's their biggest mistake. After studying, take a real break. Step outside. Sit quietly. Rest without screens. If you don't, most of what you studied will slip away like sand. Real breaks help your brain store information permanently. Do this after every focused study block. Rule number 5 is waiting for you in the comments. Because if you've reached this far, you're already ahead of most students. All the very best.